Hi everyone, today I will be making some Rosemary and Mint goat's milk soap. I'm using the Eroma fragrance and I have made this before but not with this design. So I have my hard and soft oils melted and they are at 94 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 34 degrees Celsius, and my goat's milk, which might be a little bit cooler at the moment, which is 27 degrees Celsius, which is 82 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to do a design today that I saw on Royalty Soaps. Katie did an amazing soap, part of her Gemstone series. It's a Lapis soap and it had a Mica line, and she moved the soap container at different angles and it looked really cool, so I'm going to try that out today. This fragrance behaves really well if I remember rightly, so here goes. I'll just pour my lye solution, which is made up of goat's milk and distilled water and caustic soda. Now, I'll just give this a really light blend. So my colours for today are titanium dioxide, some Catalina blue, and some lime spider with just the smallest amount of tutti frutti, which are all from my micro obsession. I'm going to divide this up into three, but when I do my design, I will put a little bit more of one colour and do a swirl with the other colours as I go up. I'm just going to give these a hand blend until I put my fragrance in. The fragrance into this one, and that in. And I'll just give these all a blend up. Now I have got a separate jug here to mix the colours into, and I'll just get my mould. Hopefully you can see that. And I've just got a couple of old pieces of wood. So I'm going to pour my first swirl layer here, put some grandeur mica, and when I tilt it back the other way, the mica will get a little bit scrunched up. I'll just see if I can get that at a good angle for you. So the bottom layer I'm doing mainly blue. Now I'm going to pour some green into it. some white. So So I'm just going to give it one light turn and pour this down the side. It doesn't matter if I've got a little bit left in because I'll still be mixing it. And I've got my grandeur and the little tea strainer. And I'll let that sit for a minute before I turn it the other way. So I'm just going to move my mould this side. As you can see, it's all sort of moved, and I'm just going to pour this down this side. Now for some more grandeur. And for the last ones, I just might put it all to green. Move this over. As you can see, it's sort of wrinkled everywhere as it's moved. Spatula. It's a really nice colour combination. Now we'll really need to bang this mould down. And I'll bring you in a little bit closer while I texture the top. So for the top of my soap, I will just do a really light texture on one side, and then hopefully drag through a longer one through the other side. And I am planning to put some cornflowers, just sprinkling them hopefully through the centre there. I'll bring you in for a closer look, and I'll be back to cut the soap in about 24 to 48 hours. Hi everyone, I'm back to cut the Rosemary and Mint goat's milk soap. It's been just over 24 hours. It looks absolutely amazing and I can't wait to cut it and see the design. I'm hoping that it looks a little bit like Katie's from Royalty Soaps with the Mica lines, but it also smells really amazing with this fragrance. So here goes. The mica lines on this end bar are not as noticeable. Hopefully that will get a little bit better as we go along. It's still quite soft, the soap, so it is dragging just a little bit, so I will be careful. The Mica lines are not as noticeable as they were on Katie's soap, which is a little bit of a shame, but I don't mind the colour combinations. I will leave some pictures at the end of this video and a close-up as well. I've really enjoyed making Rosemary and Mint goat's milk soap, and thanks for watching. Bye.